Hi everyone, today I'm going to make some wine from the grape juice. Been long overdue. I've been meaning to make this video for a while. Just haven't gotten around to it. I've been busy with other projects. But what I have here, I've got about 5.5 gallons worth of grape juice. I'm going to put this in the primary fermenter and sugar and the yeast. I'm using a wine yeast, the EC 11118, and everything here has already been sterilized. I've sterilized everything and it's ready to go. So with that said, let's get started. I had intended to try to make this before the holidays, but I have some apple spice wine that I had made last year that I have left over. So that's what we're going to have for the holiday. I do make wines out of peaches, strawberries, just about anything really. I've been making wine for most of my adult life. I grew up, my father made it also. Once this is fermented out, I will transfer it into a glass carboy for the secondary fermentation process. I'm going to start out adding 12 pounds of sugar, and I'll take it. If you try to make this, make sure whenever your juice, you get 100% pure juice without the additives. If it's got the vitamin C, ascorbic acid in it, it's okay. But anything else, I wouldn't try to use. Stuff smells like it's fermenting already. Take a reading on it. Let's see what we got. Try to see what the sugar content is using a hydrometer. Right now it's got a reading of 1.10. Roughly about 10% by volume. Some of that sugar hasn't melted yet, but I'm still going to add some more. It's showing this to be probably around 16 to 18%. We'll see how it is. I'm going to pitch the yeast. I'll make a second video of doing the bottling process. got my sterilized solution. You can use alcohol or just plain water, but I like to use something else to keep any contaminants or bugs or anything, and that's all you need. Let that go, and we'll check back when it's done. Thanks for watching.